So hello guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are gonna install SysReptor and making it accessible in our private network. So let's first Google SysReptor for the installation process, and we can go here and then we go in setup and installation. First we will use these commands to install, and then after that we will make it accessible for our private network. We just copy paste them to make them work. And try to use every command using like or with sudo, especially this last one, because otherwise it will give you some unnecessary errors. So first we updating the packages, and after that we are installing. Actually, yeah, we are installing right now, my bad. And after that we will install docker or docker, however you pronounce it. Okay, it's done. Let's clear it. And now we install docker. It might take some time, minutes or two. We can wait till then. Okay, now docker is installed. Okay, so now we run this command and still this error. Okay, let's try removing it. Okay, so now we can install like this, and here we say yes, 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 443. We put here demo.sysraptor.com, and then it asks for root permissions. So we use this and use this, and it's not working. Okay, so now it's working. So what I did was I used sudo su before, so I became root, and after that I can install it. Now it will take some time again. Okay, so now it's done. Now it's creating Docker containers. Waiting for database setup. Okay, it will take a few minutes or two. Okay, so now we are supposed to copy these. Okay, I have copied and it says it's done. Okay, so first of all, let's docker ps. Okay, so now the problem comes here is if I do this here, I can access it like normally. But if I want to access it from somewhere else, for example, let's say what's my IP here is, my IP here is this one, and I use it like here with the port number. it will say it's not secure, which is very obvious, and it will say the site can be reached. And what if you want to access SysRaptor in like on your another system, not the same exact as this? So what we can do is, first of all, let's take the containers down, or maybe you can say stop them. Docker with the command docker compose down. For that, my bad, we have to go in the folder /deploy /SysRaptor. Then we use this command again, and now it will stop all the containers. Okay, so now we will use nano on this file. It's a configuration file for Docker containers, and we'll find a line which says bind port 127.0.0.0.1. We will change it to 0.0.0 and write it out. So after that, we clear it, and first we check if any container is alive. Okay, there's no container online right now. Then we do docker compose up-d to run the docker containers again. Okay, so now it's working. Okay, now we try it again. It might take a few tries to load. First we go here, we try, my bad, IPA. Okay, so our IP is this, and now if we go, oh, it's working already. So now if we check here, you can see it's working here. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like this video, and do comments if you got any other problems or you have any tips for me. Thank you guys for watching.